Hello everyone. Welcome to this video on how to connect with the CData Cloud Hub Connector in Bold BI. CData Cloud Hub provides data connectivity for more than 100 different cloud data sources with virtual database connections. It enables integration with Bold BI applications to connect their data sources using the Wire Protocol database of MySQL instances in an easy and secure manner. In this video, we'll see how to bring data from Twitter through a virtual database in the CData Cloud Hub and then create a live, interactive dashboard using Bold BI to visualize that data. Now, we will proceed to create a virtual database in CData Cloud Hub. Log into your CData Cloud Hub, select the Twitter data source, and click Connect to connect with a Twitter account. Click Authorize App for the CData connection to create a virtual database. Once you have authorized and saved the Twitter virtual database, it will be listed under the Databases tab. This tab shows a list of available databases in CData Cloud Hub. Now, navigate to the Endpoints tab and copy the MySQL endpoint available here to connect with Bold BI. We have completed creating the virtual database in CData Cloud Hub for a Twitter data source. Let's proceed to connect with this Twitter data source in Bold BI. Go to the home page of Bold BI and navigate to the Data Source module. Click Create Data Source, available at the top right corner of the Bold BI page. Since we are going to connect the CData Cloud Hub with MySQL Connector, choose SQL from the categories and select MySQL Connector. Provide a name and description for the data source. Then, fill in the server name, i.e. the endpoint that we copied already in CData Cloud Hub. Set the username and password, and choose the Twitter database. Finally, click Connect. This will redirect you to the Dashboard Designer page of Bold BI. Drag and drop the required tables or views to the Designer canvas. You can also do other actions here, like join the tables, create expression columns, and filter your data. To learn more about the Data Source Designer, check out the video Working with Bold BI User Interface. The link has been included in this video's description. Now, click Update to preview your final data. You can click Continue to Dashboard to start creating a dashboard, or Save and Exit to save your data source. Let's save the data source. Here, you can see the list of data sources you have created to connect to your dashboards. Let's see how to create a dashboard and connect the configured Twitter data source. First, create a data source by clicking the Add icon in the left navigation bar and choose Start from Scratch. Enter a name for your dashboard and click Add and Design. Now you'll be redirected to the Dashboard Designer user interface with a blank dashboard. Click the data source pane available in the right navigation panel. You can import your created data source from the Data Source module with the Use Existing button. Now, we have imported the Twitter data source created in the Data Source module. You can start configuring the data to bind to the widgets in your interactive dashboard. To get started with the dashboard creation, check out the video Creating Your First Dashboard. The link has been included in this video's description. The dashboard is successfully rendered after publishing. Here is a complete dashboard that I have demonstrated using real-time Twitter data, showcasing the sentiment score, positive, neutral, and negative tweets posted by an audience with event hashtags at Global AI Bootcamp 2019. In this video, we took a quick look at how to bring data from Twitter through a virtual database created in the CData Cloud Hub, connected to create a data source in Bold BI, and then create a live interactive dashboard to visualize that data. Similarly, you can connect with other data sources in Bold BI like Salesforce, MailChimp, OData, QuickBooks Online, and many more from CData Cloud Hub. We have related blog posts for CData Cloud Hub integration, connecting with Twitter, and Zero Data. You can find the links in this video's description. Please leave a comment if you need any clarifications or if there are any additional features you would like to see in Bold BI. Thanks for watching.